kedengeran kan gitu ya?
Kedengeran. Insya Allah. Take your time.
Okay, Mom. I already talked about the overview of PCIT. Okay, in PCIT there is the two phase of the therapy. First phase, it's CDI or child direction, and the second phase is the PDI, parent direction. Okay, next, I will give you the structure of the therapy session. Okay, today we will going to be this is going to be the teaching session. Okay, I will explain to you about all of the skill that you will learning in this first phase of treatment or CDI. Okay, after today we will have several coaching session when you and your child will play here, and then I will give you a coaching session. Jadi while you playing with your child, I will give you a coach from the other. So I will explain it later. Okay, and then we will spend a few minutes at the beginning of session to talk about how things goes in at home, because you will have like home practice at home. Okay, and then while you are playing with your child in the coaching session, I will give you a bud in ear. So like in the assessment
Last week, yeah.
last week, for you and I to communicate, for me to giving you a coach. Okay. And then first I will just watch you and your child play together for a few minutes, and while you play with your child, I will count some skill that you already practice. It will running next week, because today you will learning about the skill. Okay, I will give you time with your child to play like a few minutes, and I just count the skill that you apply in that moment, and then for several minutes after the few minutes, we will go to the coaching session. I will give you a feedback from the 5 minute
Oke.
Aku jadi
Padahal udah 3 menit lagi loh, Mbak.
Yes,
Oke.
tadi udah mau jadi bingung.
Mau apa? Take your time.
Nah, nggak usah buru-buru. Bilang apa?
Iya. Kenapa?
Okay, mulai. Okay, Mom. I already give you an overview of PCIT. It takes the PCIT involves two phase of treatment. Still, you must be still remember, right? The first phase of treatment called CDI, and then the second phase PDI. Okay. Today we will learning about. I will give you a teaching. Okay. This session I will give you a skill that you need to have or to improve for the first phase of treatment or the CDI session. Okay, I will teach you, and then we will practice the skill. so you can apply it next week for the coaching session. Okay, and then next week we will go into the coaching session. Okay, the first few minutes at the beginning of session, we will discuss about how things went at home, because today in the class, for today in this last, okay, at the last session for today, I will give you a homework. Okay, and next week we will discuss the homework and how things went at home at the at the beginning of session from next week. And then for the coaching session, I will give you a back in air, like the assessment phase, like last week. Okay, okay, and then first at the coaching session, it will be next week. I will give you a few minutes for you and your child to play, and I just count the skill that you already have, that you already apply, or you already master at home, because I will give you today. Okay, I will count, and then I will give you skill that you must improve after a few minutes that I already give you time for the children to play. Okay, after I discount the skill, and I will give you a feedback, and then we move to the coaching session. Okay, in the coaching session, I will give you a feedback, and then I will give you a direction how to play along with your child. Okay, so we will coach you in how to use that skills, and then at the end of the session, it will be a coaching practice. So I will give you a feedback that what skills that you need to improve at home. So you can learn, and then you can apply it for next week, for another week. Okay, and then after you master the skill of CDI for a few sessions, we will move to the PDI session. In the PDI, you will also get like the teaching station like now, okay, without your child present. And then after the teaching session, we will move to the coaching session, like we already do in CDI. Okay, Mom?
Okay.
Are you still confused, or maybe you have a question?
No, I'm excited to know about the skill that I will learn in CDI.
Yeah. Okay, Mom, today you will get a teaching session, and then the coaching session next week.
Oke. Kok cuma sampai 2, Mbak? Nggak ya? 2 kan? 2 maksudnya?
Poin kedua ya kamu?
Enggak, ini udah.